What's going on, guys? We're in a brand new spot. Yeah, we're at Party Lake. I have never been here before, and a friend just came here recently, caught a really decent sized trout. So I'm gonna go ahead, test my luck out, add some trout. But I'm here with me, Amelia, and 3 of my nephews. So let's see. She's sleeping in the back, but let's go ahead and get rigged up. I'm excited for this. And I hope, fingers crossed, probably can't see me, fingers crossed, get a fish. It's a cool little spot. That's the fishing team today. Bunch of novice right there. He's never been fishing. He just recently bought that pole too. He just bought that pole today. So I'm setting up with these two, my bait caster, light tackle right here. I just brought that out just for the heck of it. Hey.
I'm ready.
There you go, mama. Come here, you can get your feet wet. There you go. Hey. Let kids be kids, y'all. I'm telling you. She's loving the spot. Sun's coming out, so it's great. I've been here for about, I would say, an hour now. No bites. No bites yet. That's a real one. That's a real one right there. That's what you need to do. Send your nephew into the water. Get your popper back. Oh man, the lens is kind of dirty. Got it back. Nephews, man, drive me crazy. Yeah, I feel there's fishes here, but they're not biting, or maybe not in this area. But definitely gonna come through with my kayak. Gonna be paddling out there. Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the video at Party Lake. I came here yesterday with the boys. Didn't do pretty well. So now I'm here with my main man right there, Brian. Say what's up, Brian. And we brought our kayaks, y'all. Sheesh. It's gonna be a different story today. I'll tell you that right now. Different story. We ready? Let me unload everything real quick and get on water because the fish is biting. Somebody down there got a fish. Don't want to miss out on that. We are ready to launch, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and strap up my chest mount for my GoPro. Get everything situated onto the waters. I'm in it, bro. In it to win it. Just around the river bend. How the hell does the song go, Brian? Damn, look how sharp those rocks are. You better get away from those, bro. The rocks all sharp. Steer away, bro. Steer away. Ah! There's some on the bottom too. Oh yeah, I'm gone. The rock's too sharp on this side. Ooh. No one's here? Your leg's hurting? Oh, the lake's pretty? Yeah, it's Purdy. It's Purdy Lake, bro. Party Lake. Purdy Lake. Oh, damn it. How the hell does that even happen? I freaking hooked the garbage can, y'all. Oh, shit. Oh. Y'all see this? I hooked the damn garbage can. That's the most amazing shit I've ever seen. Y'all see how close these rocks are? Alright. Not sure how the audio is gonna be for water inside of it, but hopefully it's good. Hopefully y'all can hear me still. So far, haven't got a single bite. But this is fun. This is absolutely fun. I enjoy this. This is relaxing, fun, good way to end a long vacation before I have to go back to work. With Brian, my boy Brian. Oops, there we go. Learning how to bird's nest all day. Learning how to take out bird's nest all day. It's like a 50-50. Was that on you? Oh, my bad, dog. You know how many times that happened today? Oh, snagged on a rock. Damn it. Oh, I got it out. Yes. Win-win. Still trying to look for your spinner? Oh, Brian got one. More like you bumped the more like you bumped the rocks. Bait caster versus spinning wheel. Bro, my feet is freaking cold right now. We should go back to the dam. Oh, I'm down. In fact, first and foremost, let me go ahead and get some water and eat my Whopper. Mr. Brian. Follow his channel, guys. Follow his channel. It's Burnvaj. It's BRNVAJ. Tell him I sent y'all. Hook the boy up. Hook my boy up. Hit those waves, Brian. Hit those waves. Yeah. Yeah. Got me a free bobber, boy. Ooh. Yeah. Came up. And look, I got a fly. Oh my gosh. My feet is freezing, bro. Oh, it's getting dark, y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't joined the Outsider family. Join us on our adventures, our crazy ass experience, our random stuff that we do. Like I said, y'all, appreciate it. Love y'all. See you in the next one.